Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so today we're going to make a dessert, and this is going to be cherry bubble up. We're going to need a can of cherry pie filling, and we're going to need some jumbo biscuits. What we're going to do first is cut these into quarters. All right, there we go. Now we're just going to dump in our cherry filling. This is very easy dessert. Okay, you'll want to get that all stirred up. That looks good. Let's now butter our 9x13 baking dish. That was my stove all warmed up because we set it at 350. We're cooking that for 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's dump all this goodness into the baking dish. All that filling. So let me tell you what I did off camera. I felt like stirring it with the spoon just didn't get each individual piece covered. So I went in there, all hands on deck, and separated each piece, getting the syrup and the filling on each biscuit. So if you want to do that, make sure you wash your hands. You could even double this recipe if you want. What we are going to do when this is done, I'm trying to figure out what I want to serve it over or put on it. Okay? All right. We're going in the oven, set at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, this is what it looked like coming out of the oven. I am going to get a scoop with them cherries. You know, I think it would be safe to even put 2 cans of cherries. And I know I'm saying this because I really like cherries, okay? Let's put this aside because now I am going to dish out some cherry fudge chunks. Chocolate and cherry go together well. Just a drop of that. Okay, why not put some whipped cream on top, and if you want to go the extra mile, you could even put chocolate syrup on top. I really think you could do this with any pie filling. Any ice cream you like, your favorite. Okay, perfect. Right there. All right. I'm excited. That looks so delicious. But does it taste good? Oh, yeah. Biscuits are done. Fluffy. Get some of that. Okay, and here we go. This is really good. Yeah. This is really good. You have to try this. This is so easy. And you don't have to put the ice cream and the whipped cream and all that other stuff on it. Just those 2 ingredients make it taste delicious alone, okay? So now, I want to ask, what pie filling would you put on top of your biscuits? Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.